Hi, my name is Jean Larson Ryan, and I'm going to be talking about the legalization of prostitution. Alright, so picture this scenario. Anna is a 27-year-old single woman who makes her living by working as a prostitute. She is tested regularly for diseases and maintains a clean history. Anna is at a bar, dressed promiscuously, and within a half hour is picked up by Bill, a man looking for a quick fix. They head to a nearby motel and engage in sexual activity. When they're finished, Bill gives Anna $100 and walks her back to the bar. While some may see this as immoral, it is a victimless crime. No one was hurt, injured, or put in danger, and both parties received something they desired. The legalization of prostitution would make the profession safer for all involved parties and could bring in state revenue through taxes. Legalizing prostitution would make it more regulated and therefore safer. All prostitutes would need to be tested frequently to ensure that they're drug and disease free. Potentially high-end clients might even need to be tested or prove their cleanliness before engaging in sexual activity with the prostitute in order to keep the whole community disease free and safer. If prostitution were legalized and regulated and safe for prostitutes would have more backing from police and their employers, their brothels, making the potentially dangerous profession significantly less treacherous. In some rural counties in Nevada, prostitution already is legal in the brothel style method. This is where instead of women being out on the streets and managing their own business, they stay in a group house, or they are contracted through this group house and that's where they conduct their business indoors in a safe central location. This decreases homelessness and rape rates among women. If prostitution were legalized, states could tax it. Prostitution is bound to happen anyways, and so if sex workers were treated as part of the public workforce, state income taxes would be applied to their otherwise cash and therefore tax-free earnings. The average annual income for a prostitute at a Nevada brothel is around $10,000, $100,000, and that's working only 1 week per month. Based on this, each licensed sex worker would contribute more than $20,000 in state income taxes every single year. With an estimated over 1 million prostitutes working in the United States today, tax revenue from prostitution would exceed $20 billion in 1 year. The criminalization of sex work leads to social marginalization and a greater risk of human rights abuses against sex workers. Legalization of prostitution could be the best way to protect the rights of sex workers and ensure that they receive adequate medical care, legal assistance, and police protection. Legalization would also generate significant sums of tax revenue from the state's income tax. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my speech on the legalization of prostitution.